Welcome to a weekend reset in La Conception, Quebec. Accompanied by two best friends.
We're staying up north at Hinter Cabin for the weekend.
Yes,
I'm with Catherine, Kiki, and Emily.
We spent our weekend at a Hinter space in order to reconnect and to also live in the moment. We admired the views, cooked good food, and made great memories in a beautiful space hidden in nature. Keep watching for things to do while you're there. If you choose to book a stay with Hinter, make sure you use the code Kiara10. Also, be sure to check out my brand. Without further ado, let's get started with a house tour. Or as Kat and Em would say,
MTV crib. My name is Emily. My name is Catherine.
And this is Hinter Cabin X. It has 2 bedrooms, a fireplace, 1 main bathroom, equipped with a really good shower, and a super cozy kitchen connected to a living space enveloped by floor-to-ceiling windows. Every morning, we would make coffee using a coffee maker from Fellow Products. If you're wondering, the coffee beans are from Dispatch. 10 trees are planted per stay, and about 1,500 trees are planted per year. Being surrounded by nature makes it peaceful, whether you're chilling inside or simply sitting outside. Maybe you're like me,
Spotted a wild Kiki crocheting.
making bags for my company, which I'll link in the description below. Then making my way inside to sip the coffee before making breakfast. Make sure to bring potable water, and also don't forget to bring some snacks.
It's Heavenly Hunks Minnie's birthday cake flavor. I have strawberries from Quebec.
And this was breakfast. After eating, we decided to do some watercolor painting. Here's what we made. We then decided to go and read a book. After a very relaxing day, we were ready to prepare and make dinner. But first, we decided to change into new outfits.
Little dinner fit, kind of cottage-core fancy.
And here are our outfit details.
Wearing?
I'm wearing this dress.
Where'd you get it?
In a little boutique in Greece, in Crete. This little beautiful top is
Turn around and show the pearls.
pearls.
It's from Silk Laundry. And
this
then
is actually a dress from Winners that I
it's
did.
super pretty.
Skirt.
Brandy Melville
So
top
cute.
and Silk Laundry skirt. We're gonna make, well, Kat is gonna make, because like me and Em don't really
I'm gonna
cook.
teach them how to cook.
What are you making?
Shrimp pasta with cherry tomatoes and bocconcini and a little bit of garlic, a little bit of, oh no, we forgot the basil.
First, we poured ourselves a nice glass of wine, and this is what we made. To know how we made it, keep watching. I'll link the recipe in the description below, but you basically just need pasta, cherry tomatoes, garlic, and some shrimp. You put it all in a pan, let it cook, And then you basically just throw everything in together before serving the dish. We chose to eat outside on the beautiful balcony. Then we baked some cookies and finished our night with a game of Scrabble. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.